Okay, whoops.
My favorite thing was dribbling the ball, and my other one was when Daddy kicked the ball.
Yeah, did he kick it far?
Yeah.
Yes. What was your other favorite thing about going to soccer? Oops.
Dribbling the ball.
Dribbling the ball?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What was your other favorite thing about going to soccer?
He did kick the ball.
Yes. Do you want to show me how you do it?
Yes.
Go get it.
Trap the ball too,
You trap
right?
the ball? Okay, can you show me with the ball over there?
Show Mom how you trap that ball.
Stand up.
I love you, Mr.
Oh my goodness, that's awesome. That's so cool, buddy.
Ryan, what did you do at the end? You put your hands in a circle and you said 1, 2, 3. Tell Mom what you said.
Soccer.
You did?
I said.
Awesome.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, and we hold hands and we lifted them up and we said gymnastic rock.
Oh, gymnastic rocks. That's cool.
Awesome. Well, good job, guys.
I always like American.